Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. If you did not see the massive rally that Terra Classic had in the past 24 hours, it was close to 104%. Which is a 2x in less than 24 hours. A lot of people are thinking it is due to the fact that a lot of burning was done, and that is incorrect. There is a lot of factors that actually went into this, but the main one being Binance saying they might be relisting Terra Classic very soon. There's a lot to talk about today, but if you guys are here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the incredible side of Luna. They decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, I want to mention something really important about Terra Classic. As the whole crypto market actually recovered today, Terra Classic nearly did a 2x in under 24 hours. I know a lot of you guys are very happy about that. If you do decide to look from here, you guys can see it was close to 109% increase in less than 24 hours. And a lot of people are estimating that that was due to a lot of burning happening of Terra Classic, and that is some false information. The reason the spike actually came in, or the real reason behind that, is this. Luna Classic prices rose sharply on Monday after Binance said it will launch the new perpetuals contracts for the token. So you guys know, on the 31st, or in less than 24 hours, Terra 2.0 will be listed on Binance. Now Luna Classic was removed from Binance because they did not trust the project and they decided to hold it off, as they did not want their clients to actually trade Luna Classic. Now they just made the announcement less than, I'd say, 24 hours ago, that there is going to be some contracts that will be opening towards Luna Classic, but for now there will still not be just normal trading. People will not be able to just go to the exchange and swap their USDT for Luna Classic. They're not going to be opening that, but there is going to be some contracts that you guys will be able to trade on. The move indicator support for Luna Classic even after Terra 2.0 launch, which shows the airdrop of the new last week. Luna C jumped by over 90% in 24 hours, and that is obviously due to the whole of the Binance to issue BUSD margined 1000 Luna Classic. Now it is obviously going to be trading against BUSD, which is actually the pegged token of Binance, which is Binance USD, and at the same time, if this does go live, this is going to be a very positive impact towards Luna Classic, and Terra 2.0 around the same time will also be listed on Binance. So I personally think it is going to be a pretty crazy next 24 hours for the whole of the Luna community. I do want to mention something important. I personally have noticed something which a lot of you guys have also noticed, is as the rumors are building up, the price will start to climb. As you can see, the Terra 2.0 is up close to 12% today, but when the news drops tomorrow that Binance has officially listed Terra 2.0, be very careful, as there might be a strong dump, as a lot of people do not have access to their airdrop. As soon as Binance does it, they're obviously going to have access, and they might actually decide to sell, which could mean that the whole market of Terra 2.0 could come down. So just be very cautious tomorrow. That's just my theory behind it, and a lot of you guys would agree with it. Now after this pump was actually done, right now you guys know Bitcoin started climbing again. It is actually hitting close to 31k, which is incredible, and you can see Luna now, after receiving this pump from Binance, it is able to recover itself, as it is becoming a lot healthier when it comes to the trading volume. Now the trading volume is up close to 300%, and you can see the circulating supply is not going up at all. The trading volume to the market cap ratio is close to 30%, which has increased nearly 3x, which is a very significant jump and a really good thing. Another thing which I want to show you guys is South Korean prosecutors launched an investigation on all Terraform Labs employees following the UST collapse. Now you guys know the case has been taking some crazy turns, but right now it is crazy to think that all the employees are going to be under investigation. South Korean prosecutors have summoned Terraform Lab employees for a thorough investigation, local reports say. They also want to investigate whether Kwon manipulated the price. These new investigations are taking place on Terra tries to revive itself with a new blockchain. Now overall, this is a good thing. I'm not going to say this is a bad thing because they obviously do want to look into it and make sure that this was not intentional. If it was done through the staff or anything like that, this could be a big deal and Kwon could be in a lot of trouble. But if they do come to find out that this was attacked by a third party, obviously the whole of the Terra Labs employees are not going to be getting into trouble and they're just going to be carrying on with Terra 2.0. And that could actually mean positive for the project because a lot of people will actually get their trust back into the project as this was just a mistake done by a third party. And after that, they can go ahead and obviously fix up their mistakes and move forward. Personally, I'm just very excited to see how this is all going to turn out, and this is some big investigation that will be taking place in the near future. Binance's upcoming airdrop could lead to a bigger Luna 2.0 dump. As I mentioned, this is going to be a very crucial next 24 hours for anyone that is holding on to Luna 2.0, as if a lot of people decided to dump Luna 2.0, that could actually mean that from $30 we went to $6, and if it does decide to go even lower, I would not be surprised. As you guys know, Binance has it is the largest exchange in the world when it comes to crypto. Binance is scheduled to start its airdrop on the 31st of May, which is less than 24 hours ago. Users are likely to sell the token in order to recoup their losses. The sharp decline appears to reflect investors' lack of faith in Kwon's re-stylization proceedings. So overall, it just shows that as the airdrops are being received by people, they do not trust the project as they used to. But if this does decide to go into the positive factor, it is obviously going to put some trust back into the Luna team. Now, Terra Luna relaunch is already inspiring a slew of scam tokens. Now, there are a lot of scam tokens that are starting to come out, so be very careful when you do decide to talk about rug pulls. They're starting to become a lot more common compared to before. So now be very careful when you're investing in any token. It is really important that your money is well spent and someone just does not run away with your money. The recent Terra relaunch appears to have inspired several similarly named scam tokens and fake accounts attempting to fool the investors. So only take information from reliable sources. And finally, I want to show you guys this. Could the price pump back to $30? Yes, it is possible, but in the near future that is a little unlikely due to the fact that it is obviously going to be listed on Binance. But after that, once people have sold that do not trust in the token, the people who do trust in the token are going to be holding long term. It is obviously going to be a very positive impact. Personally, I'm really excited to see how it is going to turn out, as a breakout of the support $3.50 could mean lower lows could be coming in. So will the Binance listing break through the support level? Personally, I would not be surprised if that does happen, but if the people decide to buy the dump, that could also mean that the pump will be a lot stronger than a lot of people will anticipate. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, but other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.